Another day, another hairstyle. Today we're going to be doing the Tanavoho hairstyle. I got the inspiration from one of Rihanna's pictures and it's all over the internet as well. But I think I'm late to the party. But never mind, because I had a vision of what I wanted it to look like for this party. And I wanted to give Mama Africa, I wanted to give Rich Auntie, I had my boo boo laid out and I had a vision of what I wanted my hair to look like. So since I'm wearing a boo boo, I wanted very deeply rooted African hairstyle, and this is what I settled for. I really absolutely love this hair. It's kind of like a natural hair look. I've shown in this video an example at the back of how I achieved the look and also at the front, so please keep on watching and you see how I achieved the look. So let's get into the tutorial. After parting my hair, I'll take a rubber band and use it to tie each part. For each part, I'll start doing a simple braid like I'm doing right now on the screen. So I'll braid that down until I get to the tip of my hair, like where my natural hair ends. Then I'll take a piece from the kinky braid, use it to wrap it around. I use it to wrap it around where the braids end. Wrap. I'm doing this just so my braid doesn't unravel. So we keep wrapping, wrap until you get to the last bit. This is going to prevent the braids from unraveling. You can also use rubber band if you have enough. I didn't think I had enough, so I had to come up with a solution to that. You can use rubber band or you can just do this. So once I'm done with that part, I'm going to fluff out the remaining part of the kinky braid. I'm going to fluff it out, and then I'm going to decide where I want, like how much of the puffy part I want. And then once I decide, I'm going to use another rubber band to tie the end like I'm doing right now. It's so hard to explain these things. It's better for me to just show than explaining. So whatever is left, I'm just going to try and tuck that in the puff. Tuck that in and then play around with the puff like I'm doing right now. Play around with it. So I went ahead to braid down all of the parts so that it will be easier for me to do it will be faster for me to do the puff. So I'm going to show another example at the front of how I get the single braids first, then before we start trying to get or shape out the puff. I hope whatever I'm explaining makes sense. But it's best to just watch and then practice, you know. This hairstyle is also beginner friendly. I don't think is any big deal. It just depends on how, if you already know how to do single braids, this should be easy for you. And even if you don't know how to do single braids, because of the rubber band method, it should be very easy for you. So that's what I'm doing at the front again, repeating the same process that I explained earlier. Like everybody else, once I decide what hairstyle I'm going to do, I'll go online and see how other people are doing it. Even if I have an idea of how to do it, I'll watch other YouTubers and then I can go ahead and do it on myself. So my channel is not about I'm not saying that I'm an expert. It's a channel where I just show what I know how to do. And if you enjoy stuff like this, if you enjoy people doing their hair, if you enjoy fashion, if you enjoy makeup, if you enjoy conversations, which I'm going to start very soon, so please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Don't let me embarrass my family members. I don't want to embarrass my family members or embarrass myself for subscribers. So please, please, please subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.